Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put y go to the left and this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by x. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s next to y, that is for integrating factor. And the integration of 1 over s, we have negative l and s. And negative sign will go inside about natural law in here. And we have s to the power of negative number 1. And we have 1 over s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have y over s squared. And this one too. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. Next, we need to expand this one, and we have s squared plus 4s plus 4. So s squared divided by s squared, s divided by s squared, number 4 divided by s squared. And now we have the final answer. Later that, we multiply both sides by s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.